Friends, my topics for today I go with the planes. कि आगे हम जो टॉपिक्स का करना चाहेंगे उसका प्लेन की बात करेंगे। आज हम एक ऐसा टॉपिक करेंगे जिसका आपको सवाल मिलना ही मिलना इम्पॉर्टेंट है। आपको ज़रूर ये सवाल एग्ज़ाम में करना है। जो मैं आज करूँगा वो एक सवाल आपको एनडीए के एग्ज़ाम में आएगा, और कल करूँगा स्फीयर, उसका भी एक सवाल आने वाला है। मैं 2 दिन में अपनी बात करूँगा। पहले प्लेन क्या होता है? ये मेरा बोर्ड प्लेन है। ओके, मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि एक पॉइंट से कितनी प्लेन जा सकती है। एक पॉइंट से प्लेन कितनी जा सकती है? इनफाइनाइट। एक यहाँ दुनिया भर की प्लेन हो सकती है। और एक लाइन से कितनी पास हो सकती है? एक लाइन से पास भी इनफाइनाइट हो सकती है। और एक लाइन के परपेंडिकुलर कितनी हो सकती है? 1 2 3 4 5। तो हमने वो प्लेन की इक्वेशन चाहिए जो कि यूनिक हो, यूनिकली डिटरमिन्ड हो, इनफाइनाइट नहीं चाहिए। अब मुझे बताओ कि प्लेन कितनी होगी जो एक पॉइंट से पास करती हो और वो एक इसके परपेंडिकुलर हो, एक लाइन के परपेंडिकुलर हो और एक से पास करती हो। एक इक्वेशन होगी, ओनली one equation will be only one which is passing through a point. The point is given, suppose the point is given here x1, y1 or z1, and it's a perpendicular to this line. Let's say given direction line is ABC. ABC is the direction ratio of the given line. This is called normal to the plane. This line is called normal to the plane. A line which is perpendicular. I have given here, I want to find the equation of the plane which is passing through the point A. Point A is given, and this is uniquely determined. There is only uniquely plane which passes through a point and perpendicular to a line. So I am looking for this equation today. When you find the equation, it means you find the locus of points. Let me take one point x, y, z on it which satisfy the equation of plane. Okay, when I join this point to this point, any point on the plane, this will be perpendicular to this given normal. Therefore, the direction ratio of AP. Direction ratio of AP is equal to what? X minus x1, y minus y1, and z minus z1. This is the direction ratio of line joining the given point A and any point P in the plane. These are given in there. And what is direction ratio of the line perpendicular to it? This is the one. So x1, y1, z1. When this line is perpendicular, we know this is equal to A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 into C must be equal to 0. Friend, this is called one point form. Equation of plane passing through a point, say 1 2 3, and perpendicular to a line with direction ratio is 4 5 6. Equation becomes equal to x. This is 4, this is A, this is B, this is 4 x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 2, y minus 2 plus 6 into z minus 3 is equal to 0. Well, 4x plus 5y plus 6z minus 4 minus 10 minus 18 is equal to 0. 4x plus 5y plus 6z, okay, this is equal to 32 is equal to equation of the plane. Friend, this equation of plane you will pass through the point 1 2 3. When I put 1 2 3 here, 1 2 3 here, it will satisfy. This point will satisfy this equation. 4 into my 1 plus my 10 plus my 18. This is equal to 32 minus 30. Any point on the plane will satisfy the equation. How many points are there in the plane? Infinite. Those infinite ones which satisfy the given equation will lie on the plane. This type of question has been asked in NDA. Find which of the following lies on the plane. Ask them to satisfy. If it is satisfied, okay, it lies. Well, friend, this is one point. Look at the another point. You find this will be linear equation x, y, z. This is a linear equation in x, y, z. Any equation linear in x, y, z is the equation of the plane and the space. Any linear equation, हमारे को जो plane की equation मिली है वो x, y, z linear मिली है, and this is the equation of the plane. So this is one point form, and when I say the linear equation, this is ax plus by plus में cz plus में d. This is general equation of the plane. This is general equation of the plane. Here a, b, c, d. Look here, a, b, c. What this a, b, c were? They were the direction ratio of the normal to the plane. What is direction ratio of normal to plane? Here is 4, 5, 6. Look at 4, 5, 6. These are direction ratio. What is direction ratio of normal to this plane? Direction ratio of the normal to the plane, to plane number 1 is what? ABC. Okay friends, what I said up to now, what I have done, and let me repeat what I say, and what I have done is number 1, any linear equation x, y, z, any linear equation x, y, z is the equation of the plane. Number 1. Who is the ABC direction ratio of the normal? What is the equation of the normal? Or what coefficient of x, coefficient of y? They are ABC. Well friends, remember, what is direction cosine? You can find direction cosine from normal, which I did in the last my video, how to do. Okay, any point on this will satisfy. Any point. If x1, y1, z1 lies on the plane, lies on plane number 1, then ax1 plus by1 plus cz1, okay, plus d must be equal to 0. It must satisfy. Any point of the plane will satisfy the given equation. Let me subtract here. Come on, I subtract. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into. This is the equation of the plane in one point form, which we already derived. Whenever we take any point, any plane through a given point, we take like this. We eliminate the d here, eliminate d. We have, this is general form of equation. This is the form of equation which is called a one point form. Well friend, I got another one too. Suppose I got a plane which is passing through the these one plane. It cuts intercept A, this intercept B, and this so this point is equal to A0, 0, this is equal to 0, B0, and this is equal to 0, 0, C. What is the equation of the plane which is passing through these A, B, C, these one intercept? Let the equation be, let the equation is AX plus BY plus capital C, Z plus D is equal to 0. It passes through this. Therefore, AA plus में 0 plus में D is equal to 0, or then it passing through 0 B 0, so this is equal to B into B plus D is equal to 0. Then passing through this is equal to C into C plus D is equal to 0. Well friend, here we go. Let's put the value of A from here, minus D over A, minus D over A, minus D over A into X, minus D over B y minus d over c z plus d is equal to 0. D cancel, minus common, x upon, you know, very familiar one. This is very familiar. Minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the intercept form. This equation is called intercept. X over a, y over b, z over c, it can be 1. This is called intercept form. Whenever this is the intercept form of equations of the plane. When intercepts are given, you can directly write down. Well, I go with the another one to, there is a one part here. I got the two planes, say these two planes. These are type of questions that are asked in the exam, which I am doing just now. These two planes. These are the angle between them. Theta is angle. One equation is a1 into x plus b1 into y plus c1 into z plus d1 is equal to 0. The second plane is equation is second plane is this one. Okay, this plane number 1 and this is plane number 2. An angle between them. How to find the angle between them? when two planes are given, these are the question asked in NDA, find the angle between the two planes. So what is the angle between them? How to calculate the angle between them? Well friend, angle between two planes equal to angle between the normal. Normal here, this is N1, another normal here. Whatever angle they have got is the same angle. Angle between two planes is equal to angle between the, what direction ratio of this one is A1, B1, C1. And what direction ratio of this one is A2, B2 and C2. What is the angle between them is as usual is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 divided by the same thing A1 square, B1 square and C1 square. A2 square, B2 square and C2 square. The same angle between two planes, nothing but angle between their normals. Their normal will determine the angles. If these two planes are perpendicular, then A1 into A2, these normal will be perpendicular. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. And if the planes are parallel, what happens? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 plus equal to C1 upon C2. That is another one to go. These one. This is the one. The two planes. In this case, I told you the angle between the two planes very important for ND exams. They ask you to find the angle between the two. I'll be doing the question which was asked in September 2018, and that question is find the angle between the two. I just come to it, but before that I'll tell one more point. This is how the angle between them. Let me do a practice and let me see how the question can be asked. If 2x plus 3y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0 and lambda into x plus 6y minus z, they are perpendicular, then what is lambda? Dear friend, when they are perpendicular to A1 into A2 plus B1 into B2 plus C1 into C2 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 lambda is equal to minus 17 and lambda is equal to minus 7. Simple question too. A simple question too. We use A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 is equal to 0, and when the planes are perpendicular, therefore their normal is perpendicular. Well, 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 8 is equal to 0. 4x plus 6y plus 8z plus here 17 is equal to 0. Are they parallel? Are they parallel? Okay. Are they parallel? Yes, they are parallel. Parallel because 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 4 upon 8. Yes, A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to C1, C2. They are parallel. So we got the one. But my next topic is to find the distance of a point x1, y1, z1 from the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. What is this? Dear friend, this is a plane here. This also type of question asked in NDA many a time. This is the distance we can find. Shortcut is without any sort of thing. I just in place of x you write x1, in place of y y1 plus z1 plus d divided by under root. This is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. This is the distance from here. What you do x1, you y1, z1, this is it. This is here it is. Well, here this is whenever a question asked to you, find the distance from this. So this is to be applied. I'm just doing one question. I'm just doing one question from the here is one question. Find the distance. Find the distance of this point 2, 3, 4 from the plane. The plane is given. This question was 2018. 3x minus 6y plus with 2z plus 11 is equal to 0. Choices are 1, 2 units, 3 units or 4 units. This is the question. The answer is place 2 की जगह यहाँ पर x की जगह 6 minus 18 plus 8 plus 11 divide by under root and 9 plus 36 plus में 4 is equal to 49. 7 here modulus लगा दिया. This is equal to minus 10. This is equal to 7. And 7 is equal to 1. That's the answer. The choice. This is how it is. First question, it is asked in 2018 September, distance of a point from the given plane. Important one, very, very important. Now here, I go to another question. The question is, there are two parallel lines. There are two parallel lines. They are parallel planes. Let's say two parallel planes are 6x minus 3y plus 6z plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 2z plus 4 is equal to 0. These are the two parallel planes. He says find the angle between them. Distance between two parallel planes, very, very important. Between two parallel planes. Angle between the two planes, distance between the two parallel planes, important question. Distance of a point from a plane, this is 1 to 1. Distance from the one. Are they parallel? Well, 6 by 2 is okay, 3, this is 3, this is 3, okay. Can we do like this? Can we have any point on this? दो पैरेलल हैं, दो पैरेलल लाइंस हैं और यहाँ पर मुझे डिस्टेंस निकालना है तो I should take one point in this. I choose one point and one point I choose my choice. Then I take the distance from here to here. Let me take one point here. Choice is mine. I can x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then z will be equal to minus 1 by 3. Put 0, 0, 6z plus 2 is equal to 0, z is equal to minus 2 by 6. From this point, draw, take the distance from x की जगह 0, y की जगह 0, z की जगह 2 into minus 1 over 3 plus 4 divide by under root 4 plus 1 plus 4 under root. This is here, this is equal to 3, this is minus 2 plus 12 into 3, this is equal to 10 upon 9. The answer here, 10 by 9. This. Well, this is the one part. One way of doing. The another way I am doing the state why I am doing one question to this. State question is if you got two planes like this, provided you make this is D1, you have AX plus BY plus CZ plus D2 is equal to 0. They are different, they are same. If this is then distance is equal to D1 minus D2 divided by A square plus B square plus C. You can straight away write down, but you have to make the coefficient same of x, y, z. If they are not, divide by that. Earlier we have got 6 here, 2 here. So divide this by 3. That part is there. So you can do the plane equation like this. My last question, last but one, I got the find the equation of the plane through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to this and parallel to 3x plus 4y plus 5z plus 1 is equal to 0. I have to find the equation of plane which is parallel to this. When this is parallel to this, it means they are normally the same. It means this part is the same. Difference of the constant. So I take the plane which is going to come is nothing but lambda into 0. Change will be there because the direction ratios of the normal is the same. Now, how to find lambda? It passes through 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 8 plus 15 plus lambda is equal to 0. So, lambda I found is equal to minus 26. And they put it here. Therefore, my question is this. ये मेरा सवाल का आंसर है. ये एक सवाल जो हमने पूछा गया है तो वो भी कर दूं. तो हमारा एक एनडीएम आया हुआ है, उस सवाल को भी कर दें. और ये मेरा प्लेन का सवाल, प्लेन पूरा हो गया. कल मैं स्फीयर बताऊंगा और स्फीयर के बाद कुछ क्वेश्चन लूँगा. हमारा फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट P, and this point P is equal to 2, 3 minus 1 and perpendicular to OP. Choices are 2x minus plus में 3y minus z is equal to 14. B 2x plus y plus z plus 14 is equal to 0. C 2x plus y minus z is under root 14 and D none of these. दोस्तों, बिफोर आई डू द क्वेश्चन आई मस्ट टेल यू कि इसको डायरेक्ट करना हो, देखना हो तो जो भी इक्वेशन होंगी ये सेटिस्फाई करेगा. जैसे कि 4 9 4 और 9 13 और प्लस में 14 ये सेटिस्फाई करता है. ये सेटिस्फाई करेगा, ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा, ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा और इसका आंसर ए आ गया. दिस इज यू कैन लुक एट दिस. लेकिन दो सेटिस्फाई करें तो क्या करेंगे हम? दो करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? तो डायरेक्शन रेशियो उसकी वही होगी जो ओपी की होगी, क्योंकि जो प्लेन के जो परपेंडिकुलर है उसका डायरेक्शन रेशियो होगी 2 minus 0 0 2 3 minus 1. जिसके डायरेक्शन रेशियो 2 3 1 होंगे, 2 3 minus 1 होंगे, वही होगा. ये नहीं है, ये तो है लेकिन वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता. तो जरूरी होगा कि जब भी आपने प्लेन की इक्वेशन ली, वहाँ आंसर चॉइस में देखना है कि प्लेन की इक्वेशन दे रखी है, क्या इससे पास होती है? पुट करके देख लो. क्या वो इसके परपेंडिकुलर है तो क्या ये नॉर्मल के डायरेक्शन रेशियो इससे मिलते हैं? है तो ढूंढ लो, नहीं तो सवाल ऐसे कर लो. डायरेक्शन, व्हाट इज डायरेक्शन रेशियो ऑफ OP इज इक्वल टू OP का 2 माइनस में 0 3 एंड माइनस में 1. Therefore, equation of plane in 1 passing through 2 into passing through this point plus 3 into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Z man. Well, friend, this is the equation. 3y minus 9 minus z minus. Okay, 2x plus 3y minus z minus 14 is equal to 0. That is the answer to go. Whether you do like this or do like my answer, looking at the question, when you do the basics, you can check the answer. I have done plane, simply plane. It was, the name suggests plane. It was so easy, so going. There is nothing difficult into it. We know the direction ratio, how to calculate 1-point form, general form, intercept form. So, friend, you can do it, or very easily it can be done. The one question you will find is the distance between two parallel planes, distance of a point from a given plane, find the equation of the plane passing through the one point and parallel to this, and this type of question, easy question they are asking. Very simple questions are being asked in NDA or 3D. Kindly do practice, do some homework, take out from your book from any 11th class or anywhere, and do practice. Thank you so much.